So, sir, as we mentioned before, most of the measurements I'll leave to your professional discretion to decide. Just give you the rough distances. So, as we were discussing the backfilling, so basically level with our slab of the house, maybe 50 mil below, so I can put some nice pebbles around the house for the water to, have somewhere to sort of filter through. But so from the slab of the house, the distance will just round up to 4.2 meters to the face of the retaining wall. So from my foot, from here, 4.2 meters will be level pad all the way around the house. And then the deck is 4 meters. But the deck, when it hits the wall of the retaining wall where we backfill, it will be maybe 2 steps down, so maybe 500 mm lower than this level. So you have 250 mil steps going down onto the suspended slab for the deck, and then the pool level will be the same. And then basically, so if you can make it half, so if we put the stairs, we make the stairs dead center, and if we make the stairs 1.8 meters wide, and then however many it takes to get down to the sloping block, dead center of the pool and the deck, so that will determine the dimensions of the pool and the deck. So the deck and the pool should be the same size, and if we put the stairs dead center of both and 1.8 meters wide, whatever the size of the deck and the pool is, that's what it is. So it will be 4 meters that way, and then whatever happens this way is what happens this way. So that can give you a good square meterage to work that out. So that's that, and then of course finish the stairs as we mentioned. The driveway will have a 600 mm offset from where the fence line will be for pebbles and plants. So I'll go and do a rough measurement and then let you know how wide I want the driveway to be. Cut. So these dimensions should be pretty close, not exact, but again, even with this, I'll leave it up to your expertise to decide. It should look close anyway, basically. So we determined that from the perimeter fence, if you follow me, honey, once it's built, of course it won't be here yet, but when we do the driveway, so I want to leave 600 mm off the fence, 600 mm just for pebbles and soil and plants. I can plant along the driveway. And then starting after 600 mm, I think we do probably 600 mm, 4 meters, a 4 meter driveway and a 4 meter wide carport. So the carport will actually be 4.6 meters wide because the carport will be forming part of the fence line. So we can build that hollow block wall, sir, to attach the carport to for the carport. So 4.6 meters wide will go right to the fence. The driveway will have 4 meters, which also gives us that 600 mm feature wall along the fence line for the carport. So 600 mm, and then start the driveway at 4 meters. Carport will go all the way to the fence and be 4.6 meters wide in total, the slab. And then what we'll do is the driveway has a slope, it ramps down to the road. So what we'll do, remember sir, we have the pedestrian access gate with the cantilever, and this is pretty much easy to figure out. So the first column where we have that nice screening, the black screening, the first column, the edge, so 300 mm column, the edge outside face will line up flush basically with, I'd say with this wall here. So edge to edge of the column, and then it goes up like that with the screen. The next column will be flush with this face here on the inside to here. So that will be the first screen. And then the next one will be exactly where it has to be for that. And then we attach that cantilever. So you'll have one screen, flush, and the next one will pretty much be where it has to be, sort of dead center of this wall to here, in the same place, which means here is where the actual driveway gate will be. So we'll have the gate, we'll have to put the column here, and then this is where we start sloping the driveway back from this column back, because where the gate will be, obviously we need to have it flat. So basically as simple as that. So if it's 4.6 meters in total off the perimeter of the fence, so talking about the 600 gap for the soil and the plants, plus 4 meters of concrete for the driveway, which comes to 4 meters is about here, sir. So from this bush to the house is about 4.7, 4.8 meters, where we'll have, you know, this L-shaped roof coming, the cantilever for the pedestrian access gate, which will actually be flush with the road, and then we'll just build some steps to the road. So that way the retaining wall that has the soil here will have to do like this, and then the ramp up between the walls, and then it goes flat. So, and then the pedestrian access gate will be pretty much where this is. 4 meter wide driveway, roof on top, you know, narrow, and there'll be a cutout there, so the trusses will just go like this, and then they'll attach to this. So pretty much the same width as this opening to here, and then keep that width of roof going that way too. So it's pretty much the exact same dimensions. Maybe even can't like overhang it a little bit more over the columns if need be, but yeah, again, so it's like the actual, because we'll have a hole here for the plants of about 2 meters for something to grow through. So then the actual roof will be about the same size as that. If not, this might actually be a bit narrower, but again, sir, I'll just have a look at the photos, and if it's close to it, I'm happy. So yeah, that's the skimming discussed, that's all the electrical plan discussed. Just watch the videos if you need to, give me or Jan a call, and yeah, I can send you through, I'll send you through all the photos and the updated renderings probably today, when we get back, when we have Wi-Fi again. So but I think that's just about it.
Okay.
Yep, thank you, sir.